and welcome back everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install the YouTube application on our PC. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, it is pretty easy if you want to do so. All you gotta do is first of all head over to a browser, open up any of the browser that is available to you, and you can go over and type in YouTube, or directly head over to youtube.com. So you need to head over to YouTube or youtube.com. Once you head over to the youtube.com from your particular browser, now if you want to download the application version, what you need to do is, all you gotta do is look out for the option of this bar right here, search bar right here, and right beside it, you will be finding a computer icon with the arrow with it. So you just need to click on that option. And once you click on that, it will give you a pop-up of installing the application. So now if you want to install it, you can just go ahead and click on this option called install and confirm it up. And when you do, you just need to wait for some few seconds. And after you wait for some few seconds, you will be finding the application being downloaded onto your desktop screen as well. There you can see the application. Now you can just go ahead and double click on it and open it up. If you are not signed in yet, you can go ahead and sign in into your account and start using the YouTube application on your PC or laptop. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you also want to go ahead and install YouTube application on your PC, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.